In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the issue with Fortnite, where you get the error of video memory trying to allocate a rendering resource. Make sure your video card has the minimum required memory. It's a relatively simple one to fix, so let's just jump straight into it and open up the Epic Games launcher. First thing we want to do is to verify our game files by coming into the library and scrolling down to find Fortnite and hitting these three little dots, and you want to come into Manage. All you need to do is press this verify button next to verify files and then just give it a couple of minutes to complete, and this is going to fix any corrupted files that you may have. If that doesn't solve it, the next thing we can do is try switching to DirectX 11 by coming to the top of our profile picture here. Select settings, and you want to scroll down to find the Fortnite bit and expand Fortnite here. And then you need to select additional command line arguments. And all we need to do inside here is type in the -sign D3D and then the number 11. And once you've done that, you can come back out of the settings. And in order to switch back to DirectX 12, you just need to delete that command and uncheck the box. Once again, you can check to see if the issue is fixed, otherwise move on to the next step. The next step is to make sure our graphic drivers are fully up to date, as this is one of the most common causes for the error. Luckily, there's a free tool that we can use to check for any outdated drivers. You just need to head over to an internet browser and come to the website called drivereasy.com. Scroll all the way down the page until you find the download section, and then hit this download button here. Once you've downloaded and installed the app onto your computer, simply launch it up. And then you just want to press this Scan Now button. Once the scan is complete, it will list all of your outdated drivers. And to update them, simply click the Update button and follow the steps on screen to update the outdated driver. You can also press the Update All button at the bottom here, but this is part of the paid version, so I'd recommend just sticking to the free one and coming into each of these one by one. If that's still not solved the issue, the last and final thing we can do is come back into the Start menu and search for Run. Tap on the Run icon. And you want to type in $sign local app data $sign and then hit enter. You want to scroll down to find the Fortnite game folder. Come inside of here, come inside of saved, then you want to click on config inside of Windows client, and you should see a file called game user settings. All you simply need to do is rename this file to anything, so I can just add a 7 at the end here and then hit enter. And once we've done that, we can then try relaunching Fortnite. Hopefully by following all of these steps, that's fixed the issue. If you've tried everything and you're still getting the error message, then please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.